Samsung recently came up with their all-new mid-range A series consisting of various devices like A30, A40, even A70, but the smartphone that fits the budget range section most is the Samsung Galaxy A30. The smartphone costs Rs 16,990 or probably around $250, and this smartphone packs some stunning features for a price point like this. They do lack some features, but we have to consider the price difference. Design wise, it is pretty impressive. The screen is big, it is pretty thin and light to hold, and the glass like feel on the back really adds a premium look. Samsung A30 brings in the teardrop notch at the front. They call it the Infinity U display. At the bottom, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker, and a USB Type-C connection for fast charging. On the side, we have a power button, a volume buttons, and on the back we have a fingerprint scanner too. It comes with Android 9 out of the box, a quick face recognition. Not sure how secure is that. Samsung A30 has a dual lens rear cameras with 16MP main camera with an aperture of f1.7 and a second camera with 5MP lens and f2.2 aperture, which is a wide angle lens for capturing extra landscape. On the front notch, we have 16MP selfie camera along with sensors. The battery is also pretty good at 4000 mAh, as it was able to complete 1 day in full charge. The smartphone has a 4GB RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, and this performed really well. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button too to get notified for every latest video from K9 Works.